And now we are going to learn the different colors in English. Actually, the different names of different colors in English. What color is this? What color is this? And you can say this is or it is. Now let's see different colors. This is red. Red. This is yellow. Yellow. This is blue. Blue. This is white. White. And this is black. Black. This is beige. Beige. And orange. Orange. This is green. Green. This is gray. Gray. And this is brown. Brown. And now let's put these colors into sentences. This is a black chair. This is, you remember, that is a red chair. This is, that is. These are brown chairs. These are brown chairs. These, demonstrative pronoun, but for plural. Chairs, these, something which is near us, which is close to us. Those chairs are green. Or those are green chairs. So let's repeat now. Now you know different colors, and we use colors in front of nouns to describe the nouns, to say what color these nouns are. And we've also learned two more demonstrative pronouns, but this time for plural. Let's repeat all these demonstrative pronouns. If a noun is singular, we use this, if something is near us, or that, if something is not near. And for plural nouns, we use these, if something is near us, and we use those, if something is not near. So pay attention to the pronunciation. This chair, one chair, this. But these chairs, if there is more than one chair. That one, that chair. But those chairs.